Everybody, today we're gonna make broccoli chutney with my mom. What do I say?
Just boil broccoli.
Boil broccoli.
Can
Can I touch the shit?
This is fish.
No, this is fish.
Sardine fish.
Mommy, what are you making?
Now I'm sardine bazra. Dry basil. Kono oil dawana. Kono oil dawana yamne then baza gran korbo jashma chutney banayo.
Now what do I say?
Yeah.
What do I have to put that in?
Oh, no, put some salt. White.
In there?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to put some salt in.
Rajo, Anna.
Can I take one little one?
Fried chili.
Now my mom's going to put hot chili fry. Now I'm going to put boiled broccoli. Now I'm going to put some fish in. Put some fish in it. Now she's gonna mix it. My mom is now mixing it, and she's still mixing it, and it's very, very, very maza.
Maza, yes.
Super nice, and I want to mix it, but my mom won't let me.
Look, it's ready now.
Now it's ready. Now, you should make this with your mom or dad, and you should subscribe and like. And please subscribe.
This is yummy chutney.
Yummy chutney.
Nice with warm rice. Yeah.
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 Like
Bye
and
bye.
comment.
Likes and comments. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.